Yeah. Okay, welcome back. For this video, if you've seen the previous video, you already know what your dashboard will always look like. So we are trying to do a video on how to apply to become an instructor. So here is what your dashboard looks like once you log in, what you have once you log in. So this image here takes you to your dashboard. So we click here, and then beneath here we have CBT dashboard, my courses, certificate, and the list goes on and on. But the main reason for this video is becoming an instructor. So we click here, become an instructor, and let's see what we have. So here I said become an instructor. That means you have to share your knowledge with us, apply to become an Edenites instructor, and reach thousands of students across Nigeria. So here is your display name students will see. So let's say we are going to have let's say we're going to have Miss Becky here as our instructor. Headline: senior physics lecturers with 10 years experience. So it depends on what you're going to be teaching. So let's say okay, let's go with the example that we have here already. Senior, let us do senior chemistry teacher with, so we're going to do, let's say, 7 years experience. Yeah. I doubt this spelling is correct, but it's just for the video's sake. So tell us about yourself. Tell your student about yourself, your experience, and your teaching style. So let's say remember it should be a minimum of 100 characters. So okay. I Miss Becky loves Miss Becky. I love chemistry, not just as a subject, but over the years, right? But over the years, it has become a subject of special interest, special interest, and so maybe let's say this is a full stop here. So let me edit this interest, and then that this interest is not correct, but we'll get done. My teaching style, I love teaching more of practicals than theories. Practicals than theories. Just go ahead and just give us like what you love about yourself. Not what you love, let me rephrase that. What we should know about you as a chemistry tutor, your teaching styles, and every other necessary detail. So this is just a rough note, and as you can see, it's not properly arranged. It's just for the case of this video. So areas of expertise, it must not only be chemistry. So let's say you're so good with chemistry, physics, and maths, and then maybe there are also professional courses, right? So you can apply to be a UI UX designer tutor, data analyst tutor, any of the programming language tutor. So let's say you have an interest in design or something engineering or finance, so you can do that too, and then click on continue. So let's see. So here it says qualification. Let's say you already have a BSc in, or let's do BEd rather, that's chemistry education, right? So let me enter this, chemistry education. Right, then website or portfolio. If you have any website or portfolio, you can just enter. So just for the case of this video, I'm just going to do something like this. Right, this is not the correct website, but you can enter. Then the social links are optional, but it's necessary to have it. So your LinkedIn profile, Twitter, and YouTube channel, if you have any. Then what happened next? After submitting, you'll be asked to upload verification documents, your certificates or credentials. Our team reviews the application within 2 to 3 business days and get back to you. So we're going to submit the application. Yeah. And let's see what happens when we do that. So application has been submitted. So you'll be asked to upload your document. So here you will select a document and upload. So let's see. Let's try. Okay, standards is pending. Your application has been received. Okay, so whenever your application is being reviewed and then you're giving a feedback, then you'll be requested to upload your document. And I think you can also upload before then. So let me just pick something here. Let me just pick a document here and upload and see. So you also upload certificates, degrees, your NYC card, any relevant credential, all should be in either PDF, JPG, and PNG are accepted. So I just have this one. I'm just going to submit just for the example of the video, and let's see what happens. Okay, so documents have been uploaded. You just keep checking your email to get a feedback, and that's all that on how to become an instructor.